Hi everyone! Today I'm making a sausage and pepperoni pizza pasta in the Instant Pot. I'm using my 6-quart pot preheated to the highest sauté setting, and I'm going to start off by browning 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. You can substitute with mild or sweet Italian, or even use ground beef if sausage isn't your thing. Let the pot do the work while you stir it up every once in a while and break up the meat using your spatula. Browning should take a total of about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm not adding any veggies to this, but if you wanted to, now would be a good time to add some bell peppers or onions and let them cook for a couple of minutes also. And now I'm going to go in with my garlic and seasonings. 3 large garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional of course, and ½ teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Stir these in for another minute, just long enough for the garlic to become fragrant without becoming bitter. For my cooking liquid, I have 3 cups total chicken broth, but right now I just need to add 1/2 cup to deglaze the bottom of the pot. You want to make sure that you scrape up all of the good stuff from the bottom to avoid getting a burn warning later. 1 pound uncooked pasta of your choice. I'm using my favorite cavatappi today, but any short or medium shaped pasta like penne or farfalle or ziti will work just fine here. A 24-ounce jar pasta sauce of your choice. You can also use a combination of pizza sauce, crushed tomatoes, or homemade sauce, so long as it all totals up to about 3 cups of sauce. Pour it over the top of the pasta and then swish out the jar with the remaining 2½ cups of broth. Pour the liquid around the edges of the pasta so that it reaches to the bottom of the pot. Now spread the sauce around the top without stirring up the bottom. We're trying to keep the sugary tomato sauces away from the bottom of the pot for now to avoid sticking and scorching. Don't worry, the thin liquid on the bottom will bubble and steam and move the sauces all around once the pot builds up pressure. Lock and seal the lid and cook for 5 minutes, followed by a quick pressure release. When the pin drops, it's safe to reopen the pot. Look at that. Where's Michael Bublé when you need him? Stir it up to separate the noodles. Here's an 8-ounce pack of pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. I'll add about 6 ounces now and the rest later. 6 ounces of sliced pepperoni. I quartered 5 ounces to go in now, and the rest will be for later. If you wanted any other extra toppings that you would normally put on pizza, like maybe olives or fresh onions or anything like that, now's a good time to put those in. Top with the remaining cheese and pepperoni. This would be a great time to bust out your air fryer lid and let it toast the top. Sure wish I had one. Cover loosely and let it rest for 15 minutes to melt the cheese. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, the ingredients and instructions are written below in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below on what toppings or meats you'd prefer when making your own pizza pasta. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.